Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TB Tutor. In this video, we will be looking at functions. A function is an operation we carry out on an input to create a desired output. For example, the function heat water is carried out on cold water to create hot water. An input leads to a function which leads to an output. For the function multiplied by 3, we can show the inputs and outputs in a table. Instead of writing function equals multiplied by 3, we can use algebra to express this relationship. We can say y equals some function of x, which equals 3x. For the function below, we can say for an input of x, the function is the input squared and add 4. Setting this out on the table, we have calculate the output values and fill in the table for the function of x is equal to 3x squared minus 6. Feel free to pause the video before the answer is revealed. A translation of a graph of a function is a shift left or right, up or down, or a combination. Consider the function below. Function of x equals x squared. Setting this out on the table and plotting a graph, we have to shift the graph vertically, we add a positive or negative constant to the function. Modifying the function by adding a negative constant, we have function x equals x squared minus a. If a equals 2, then setting this function out in a table and plotting a graph, we have a vertical shift downwards. To shift the graph horizontally, we add a positive or negative constant to the function before the x term is squared. Modifying the function by adding a negative constant, we have function of x equals x minus a all squared. If a equals 2, then setting this function out in the table and plotting a graph, we have a horizontal shift to the right. This translation might feel counterintuitive, as adding a negative value moves the graph in the positive direction. How do we shift the function to the left? Feel free to pause the video before the answer is revealed. Function of x equals x plus a all squared. Adding a positive constant value of 2, setting this function out in the table and plotting the graph, we have a horizontal shift to the left. To stretch the graph in the vertical direction, we multiply the function by a scaling factor. Modifying the function by multiplying by a constant, we have function of x equals ax squared. If a equals 2, then setting this function out on a table and plotting a graph, we have a vertical stretch. To reflect the graph in the x-axis, we multiply the function by minus 1. Modifying the function by multiplying by minus 1, we have function of x is equal to minus x squared. Setting this function out in a table and plotting a graph, we have a reflection. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, Please like and subscribe to see more content.